In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a certificate in Canva. We'll walk through the entire process from opening Canva to downloading a polished certificate you can print or share online. And I'll share helpful tips along the way so everything looks professional and clear. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Log into your account. A free account works perfectly for this. One of the best parts of Canva is that it includes built-in certificate templates, so you don't have to start from scratch or worry about layout rules. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top and type certificate. You'll see a wide range of ready-made designs for awards, achievements, appreciation, and more. Take a moment to browse and choose a style that fits the tone you want: formal, modern, playful, or minimalist. When you find one you like, click it and then select Customize. This opens the template in Canva's editor so you can make it your own. Now it's time to edit your certificate. Click directly on any text box to change the certificate title, the recipient's name, the date, and a short description of the award or recognition. Keep titles clear and concise, and make the recipient's name easy to read. This is the star of the page. If your text runs long, slightly reduce the font size or adjust spacing so nothing looks cramped. To add your organization's branding, go to Uploads, choose Upload Files, and bring in your logo. Drag it onto the page and place it where it complements the design without overwhelming the text. While you're here, feel free to change colors, fonts, and sizes to match your brand or event theme. Aim for strong contrast and readable fonts, especially for smaller details like dates. Next, refine the layout and size. If the orientation doesn't suit your content, switch between portrait and landscape. Use Canva's alignment guides to keep everything centered and balanced, and leave comfortable margins so the certificate looks clean and prints well. Establish a clear visual hierarchy: title at the top, recipient name prominent, supporting details below, so the eye moves naturally through the design. Before saving, give your certificate a careful review. Check spelling, names, dates, and alignment. Zoom in to ensure fine details are crisp and consistent, and make sure the colors look intentional and cohesive. When you're happy, click Share at the top right, then Download. Choose PDF for the best print quality, or PNG, JPG for digital use. You can also share it directly via a link if you're sending it online. And that's it. Your customized certificate is ready to go.